possibilities.
Your favorite Coastal Football Extra. Yes, my name is Gabriel BENTUM MENSAH. You can call me Gabby. I'm here with my guest, as always, Bright KAKRABA. Yes, we are here to talk about some of the biggest football news and I think everything going around football, you know, analysis and then talks. We'll dive into all those issues. But I think, first of all, we'll talk about the World Cup. You know, the games are ongoing. The last round of games in the group stages are ongoing. We'll go through them. I and myself and Bright would go through the fixtures, and then we'll go through the results from last night, and then we'll talk about other issues concerning the favorite game of football. Yes, this is Coastal Football Extra. Yes, again, my name is Gabby. First of all, we'll take the results of last night's games. I think you'll be seeing them on your screen shortly. Switzerland versus Canada, and then Bosnia-Herzegovina and Qatar. Yes, these are the games that went on yesterday. We'll be picking each game after the other, and then we'll be dissecting and bisecting them on Coastal Football Extra. Right.
Yeah.
Akwaba. Yasana baby.
Yasana baby.
Yasana baby. Results no. You better start with I think Canada and Switzerland. Yes, that is Group B. That is Group B. Right.
Yeah.
Canada, Switzerland.
Yeah, Canada, Switzerland. I think this game ended up with Canada.
Okay.
But unfortunately, Switzerland was Canada. I think that it was a good game.
Yeah.
It was a good game.
I think goals from Vargas, Manzambi, and then David of Canada. Yes. These are the goal scorers. I think Canada was disappointing, girl.
Canada disappointing.
After performance now, was it my Qatar phone beating Qatar by 6-0? Asia, Switzerland. I think
this current World Cup, because Switzerland also won performance near good pass. So
yes.
Yeah.
I think winning by 2-1 in the group. I think Charlie. Group B, I didn't expect Bosnia and Herzegovina to be third. I expected them to be high up, probably second. And Abazi.
Oh, but we secure when the place was third, best third place.
The best third place teams, yeah.
So I think on your
bad. Okay. I think in the same group, Bosnia and Herzegovina beating Qatar by 3-1. Surprise?
Nah.
No surprise.
Actually, Canada won performance this tournament here. Bosnia Shawana on your surprise because Canada Qatar performance no foam or foam pa.
I think 18-year-old Alan Begovic scoring the first goal, and then an own goal from Al Barik, and then the third goal from Mahamik, scoring the third goal for Bosnia and Herzegovina to win 3-1 against Qatar. The consolation goal by Al Haidus of Qatar, getting the consolation goal for Qatar. I think the groups are starting to take shape. I think the round of 32, we are starting to know the teams that will be going through. I think Group B is already done and dusted. You wanna call the next stage of the competition. Yes. These games came on yesterday at 7 p.m. Yes, Ghana time, 7 p.m. These games came on. Switzerland beating Canada by 2-1. Bosnia and Herzegovina winning 3-1 against Qatar. Another game that went on, that was Group A. It was South Africa versus South Korea. Hey, South Africa, Was it Nana? Was I qualifying? Beating South Korea by 1-0. Wow. South Africa. Wow.
One main typical example be the most of times our there journal first.
Yeah.
Because imagine the Black Stars and Zaman Kwe Amana. And I want to wish one bad and okay. Last qualify. Yeah, so
wow. South Africa.
Very shocking. Wow, shock my
beating South Korea. Wow. By 1-0.
South Korea disappointed. Right now, South Korea possibility of Kofi and very high.
Oh, I think they have already...
have 3 points.
Oh, okay.
And as I'm speaking with you now, no work out third place, the best third teams.
Yes, goes from Maseko.
Yeah, but the disadvantage in the group stages games.
Yeah,
and
I think they have to wait for their other group. The groups to be done before they know their place in the competition. Wow, South Africa. Wow, beating South Korea with the likes of Son, Lee Kan-yi, and Himbusu. Yeah,
very surprising.
Very surprising results. And also in Group A, there was Mexico versus Czech Republic. Mexico, Charlie, showing them off, telling them that we are bigger than you. 3-0. Pa.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think Mexico, we win three matches.
Yes. 9 points in the group.
Yeah. Because especially Abrofono, I want to watch more of records than you qualify you and relax.
And Bumekede, bench players, they went strong. Very strong 11.
Yeah. They want to make a mark. Yeah. So Ghana for you need the every must say a Croatia match to come yambo. Babro, you know, them. Yeah. Or pedo make mark be. But what some of Bakade 2026 World Cup group stages Mexico. They were the only team win lose the group stage. And I will be
wow. Goals from Matthew Chavez, Julian Quineros, and then Alvaro Fidalgo. Yes, for Mexico, winning 3-0 against Czech Republic. Hey, I think more Charlie, African countries, but South Africa has proved us wrong.
Yeah.
Even after all the hate and against that we had against South Africa, I think why has it? Qualifying from the group with I think 4 points. Yes, 4 points from qualifying from the group. South Africa was surprising. I mean, Momzi, Nanka won't feel.
Yeah, I'm assuming but while qualifying to see, but South Korea in a way disappointed because I never thought today South Africa would match South Korea.
Never in a million years, never.
I never thought today.
Yes, I think the group as it stands now, Mexico with 9 out of 9, South Africa with 4 out of 9. 1 draw, 1 win against South Korea, and then South Korea having only 3 points. Yes, having only 3 points out of also third, waiting for the rest of the groups to be done before they know their place in the competition.
Yeah.
Yes, that is for Group A. Another group is Group C with Brazil, Morocco, Scotland, and Haiti. We'll talk about the Morocco game with African interest. Morocco, Haiti by 4-2.
Yeah.
African contingents, I think one of the best performing countries is Morocco.
I think this World Cup, going to the World Cup, one of the favorite teams to reach that level is Morocco.
Yeah,
because previous World Cup and the last World Cup before this one, I think there was the third of the tournament as a fourth. Yeah,
they went to the semi-finals. Yes,
and were your favorite, and I think the Haiti were performing.
Yes,
because actually one goes 2 now sharing a very classic goals.
Yes,
and I think
coming to the competition, I think your second World Cup.
Yeah.
First World Cup, I think when you go bunch. Second World Cup, scoring 2 goals, leaving the competition with their heads held high. Beautiful stuff. The Morocco game 4-2 goals from Hakimi, Saibari, Rahimi, and Yassin. Yes, for Morocco. 4 goals to 2. I think Morocco players need be coming up to the party. Hakimi. I think he's the best player in Africa right now. Currently the best player in Africa.
And I think
Ashraf Hakimi
honestly go through a lot right now.
That's similar to Partey. Hakimi is also going through a case, a court case involving I think abuse. I can't see the other word on TV, so it's abuse. Allegedly, we say allegedly. There's a lot of things going around him. Like there's a big cloud over him and his performance, but he showed up, scored a goal, and gave an assist. Morocco winning by 4 goals to 2. I think Haiti. Going home.
Oh, Haiti going home. Well, if such a group now, if you are to predict, I don't think they'll be difficult. They be Haiti. Haiti will go home and see. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised for me that Haiti now World Coffee will group in them. But Zoe manager in the African country and I will qualify for group in Morocco, and I think Morocco will go far. In the tournament.
I think we all feel like Morocco will go far.
They have the quality.
I think one team solid team. Yes, solid
team.
I think they have players. I think even Saibari, I think he's also going to get his move either to Real Madrid. We are hearing Real Madrid wants the boy. Yes, 18-year-old Ayoub Boyadi, of Lille. I think there are rumors that Real Madrid might go for him. There are rumors Arsenal, Chelsea, who knows? Yes, very solid team with Morocco. Another player, I think Ounahi, number 8 of Morocco. Ounahi, very solid player. I think last World Cup, people were mentioning his name a lot. And I'm Oko Marseille, Olympique Marseille in France. And then I think the interest on him cooled down. But I think this World Cup, he's showing that he's still a top player.
Morocco qualities. I think they can perform in the knockout stages.
I think currently, I think teams in Libya they have qualified Morocco and Brazil. Now we'll go to the Brazil game. Brazil versus Scotland. Brazil winning by 3 goals to 0. Vinicius Jr. scoring a brace, and Matheus Cunha of Manchester United. You can see the bright smile on my face. United fans, young players here as well. World Cup. Matheus Cunha scoring a goal. He has 3 goals in his last 2 games for Brazil, and Vinicius Jr. He's also the star boy of Brazil, also scoring a brace against Scotland. Right? Vinicius Jr.
Blacks and baby, coaching Bobo, and then make a statement. We are the coach
Ancelotti.
Coach Cabon who be brave, and Carlo Ancelotti. You can see under Carlo Ancelotti a performance of Vinicius Jr. all put, and so far 3 matches are won group stages. I think they
back to back man of the matches.
Back to back. And then the extra performance Vinicius Jr.
I think Carlo Ancelotti could be because Vinicius Jr. even scored a header today. This is something rare for him. Wow. He even scored a header. Vinicius Jr. Bobo, you would watch a header. Yes.
I think this is here we feel comfortable when you're there. Obi on your age, man, not in us. And on your there, you be on your age, more Genesi, Carlo Ancelotti or Vinicius Jr. Or Genesi Bebrenti. I feel that we feel comfortable to play the game. And Vinicius Jr.
He was very emotional. I think 981 days after his last time with Brazil. I think Neymar, welcome back. Football missed you. Yes, I think the big stage missed you. Yes, I think Neymar is it.
Very emotional.
I think he was fortunate to have even got a call up. I think the whole of Brazil rallied up behind him, and Ancelotti also answered the call of Brazilians not friend about tournament anymore.
And you can see the love. And I think right now, the Brazil, one legend what Penas and Neymar. I can tell you for a fact. Because big legend like Ronaldinho, but love and Neymar, Brazil no. Very high. Honestly, on the World Cup in Poma
surprisingly.
But love woman, you can see from the beginning time a warrior collab no Brazil for Jinema there one friend and then there was Sabi Molibem say Shoboni you can see the love the whole stadium.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. I think the Neymar Junior and the love in our Brazil.
I think I missed one start on Vinicius yesterday against Scotland, 2 goals, 5 shots on target, 2 key passes, 5 successful dribbles, 21 carries, fouled 3 times, and won 88 duels in the game. Yes, won 8 duels in the game. Fantastic stuff from Neymar, from Vinicius, and then Neymar returning to the Brazil national team.
Brazil Cup, since the World Cup started, Brazil country, I think the Wajikasi.
Yeah, 5-time champions, Brazil. Yes, in the World Cup, 5-time champions.
Yeah, the World Cup, I think for now, you have the current form, you have the France. But still, every World Cup, I have to fear Brazil.
Brazil. I think they finished top of the group ahead of Morocco with goals. I think we had plus 6 goals, 7 points. Morocco had plus 3 goals and 7 points. I think, and then one is it, Charlie?
No, one is it.
One is it. Where Brazil was the goals. Yes, was the goals was beating Morocco. I think.
I want to see one year that qualify.
Scotland, unfortunately, after beating Haiti 3 points, I think one's obeying.
Yes.
Because actually other groups now, even 3rd place teams know 4 points. I think it will be difficult for them to qualify.
I think I want to one more matches in Vienna now where Waka a 3rd place. I think the majority will 2 points.
Yeah.
And see, so we win one last match, and I think they
will go to 5.
And stuff. So
Okay. Under that games now, I think we will focus on this evening's games. I think you see the fixtures on your screen soon enough. The first, I think 7 p.m. I think we will have Group E. That is Curacao versus Ivory Coast, Ecuador versus Germany. Yes, as you can see on your screens. Yes, Germany leading the group by 6 points, and then Ivory Coast followed in a close second by 3 points. Ecuador with 1 point, and Curacao with also 1 point. And the games, from the African perspective, Ivory Coast
already win the game.
When you Curacao now 7-0 against Germany. So I think as Africans, we're expecting that Ivory Coast, with the squad that they have, yes, the gulf in quality between Ivory Coast and Curacao, we're expecting that Ivory Coast will win by a huge margin. Yes, you can't take any chances because Ecuador also has 1 point. They just need a win against Germany. You never know what can happen, so you need to take your chances against Curacao. Curacao versus Ivory Coast.
The Ivory Coast win the game because Ivory Coast in winner will lose the game. Your possibility of be very high.
Yeah.
Because although the Germany but may win the game, but the American win.
Yeah.
A secure winner, then look forward what will come. Because a secure winner now, and then when they're right now, the mobile CBR you are true, and then a round of 32.
Another game in Group E, that is Ecuador versus Germany. Germany.
Germany. Germany, so
6 out of 6. Yes, 100% record.
Germany are qualified, and you can tell goals are like chances. Germany a chance when you want to utilize, when you want to overshow one, and you can tell against Crosad. When you're 7, and I think there was 7 now. So Germany did. But I can't tell the knockout stage will overperform because you might believe in the German team right now.
Yes.
I think the one group in there, no we KAKRABA.
I think the Ecuador so disappointing. The Ecuadorians are Estupinian and all these players. Like you have 1 point in a group. You could even beat Curacao. Oh, how? Ecuador. Very disappointing. Captain Moises Caicedo of Chelsea. Star player like that.
It's not easy.
I think in the competition, I think Curacao showed that what Ecuador from there, one small boys. Yes, they came to play. prediction for those games. Let's pick the get your goals in. Now that is all for Group E. Now we'll go to Group get your goals in. Now that is all for Group E. Now we'll go to Group F, which has Netherlands, Japan, Sweden, and Tunisia. Another African contingent in Tunisia. Playing against the Dutch Netherlands. Playing against the Dutch Netherlands. Right. I mean, the way I was willing to picture there, Tunisia for the
Tunisia to play against Netherlands.
0 points in the group.
Netherlands.
0 points in the group.
Dabby. Although I African, we are wishing them the best, but I don't think the BENTUM will beat Netherlands. If Netherlands one performance, this World Cup, very serious. Very serious. I think the Obezna Tunisia will be. I think the Obezna Tunisia will be. Yeah.
Wow. I think on the side of Netherlands, I think in the game we were expecting that still Broby, yes, Broby will still keep his form after scoring 2 goals against Sweden. He would come into this game full of confidence and pumped for this game. I think yes. And another player that we're expecting, I think Crescencio Somerville of West Ham, and then Kodigapo of Liverpool, and then I think the main stars, the Van Dijks and the Van Hekken, and then yes, they will be still solid at the back for Netherlands. I think Tunisia don't stand a chance today, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we'll be confirming another African exit if Tunisia don't come up with the goods today. Another match that will be going on in Group F is Japan versus Sweden. The Samurai Blue of Japan, yes, playing against Sweden. Right.
Japan. Japan won previous matches. Japan from last World Cup to this World Cup.
Yes, surprise. Very surprising.
Very difficult for an very difficult for an European country to score Japan.
Yeah, true.
And what tried to maintain the record.
I think when the last World Cup we Germany a few more group stage.
Yeah, European country be obeshe Japan bia. I don't know. So one game plan and the way stadium. So we stadium Europe game plan no. So then very difficult for European countries to score Japan. So I think the match where might take Japan. I think for my game boys.
Yes, we'll be expecting a lot from some of these players playing in Sweden. I think the last game against Netherlands, they disappointed. Victor Gyökeres of Arsenal, Alexandra Isak of Liverpool. I think they disappointed in the previous game. We're expecting more from them this time out. I think Group Lizzie, Netherlands also 4 out of 6 currently in the group first, and then Japan also has 4 out of 6 points also in the group. We're expecting that after this round of matches we would know the standings, and then we'll know who will be top in the group and who would be second in the group. Another group is Group D, but before we go there, I need to take a prediction for Group F. Japan, Sweden. Let's say Japan prediction.
Yeah, Japan to win, but score line,
I say boy and boys now watch a bet. We need those the overs, and then Madam bet, but we need the overs. I know of the overs, and then the handicaps and all that. It's right. From on. One hour per the watch bet.
Yeah, Japan to win, but goals, goal difference, won't be that much. I think the Japan to win over 0.5.
Wow.
The Game Boys will understand.
Game Boys, you understand.
Over 0.5. I think the goals, I think Japan will win 1-0. 1-0, yeah. I think the goals slim that much.
About goal scorer any prediction? Maybe anytime goal scorer be
1-0 for Japan.
I mean, I know of a couple of players that would probably be involved in the goals. I think Daichi Kamada of Crystal Palace, and then Uda of Feyenoord. Yes. They have some quality players that are in their team. I think we would expecting them to counter, but I think Sweden feels like Sweden needs more of the points than Japan.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nice game. I think for me that was the game I'll be watching.
Yeah,
yes.
I think the group were very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting group. I think Obia Botuma qualify.
Yeah.
Except Tunisia, and I still want to go to they can go through.
Yo, no.
They have 0 points, but if they win, they get 3 points.
3 points.
On standby for.
And 3 points. But the third.
Third, yes.
And the third best, you know, I think the 3 points very difficult. Yeah, for you to enter.
Okay.
For Tunisia, you want to see side for now, but first, second, third, you know. I think they'll be able to my top group. You know.
Wow, yes, interestingly. First, second, third in the group will be able to my top group. You know. Netherlands with 4 points, Japan with 4 points, and then Sweden with 3 points. Another group that is containing a host nation, yes, that is USA. Group D, yes, we would have Paraguay versus New Zealand, and then Turkey versus USA. This is a side note. All the matches will be taking place simultaneously at the same time. That is the group games. So, for Group E, Curacao and Cote d'Ivoire, Germany, Ecuador, same time, simultaneously, same time. And then for Group F, Japan, Sweden, and then Netherlands versus Tunisia. Also, both games will take place at the same time. Then we come to Group D. That is Paraguay, New Zealand, Tunisia, and USA, same time.
New Zealand, Paraguay. I think they also one group, you know, one performance, no, also this World Cup. You know.
Yeah.
So I think the one group, you know, one or top group, you know, for now.
I think, that is why you should learn your geography, you know. Missing New Zealand, but then move flag, you know. New Zealand, son or Australia. Yeah, flag in a wild dam. It happens to the best of us. I think it's Paraguay versus Australia, and then Tunisia versus USA. Yes, right. Go back. Paraguay, Australia. I think Australia performing great in the competition.
Yeah. I think the one over the second one group.
Yeah,
with 3 points. Yeah.
US. Okay. Yeah, but with the US, but Australia say 3 out of 6 points.
Yeah.
I think the only match they lost was against the US.
Yeah.
US won by 3 goals or so. Yes, but then this game against Paraguay.
Yeah, Australia will here win, you know, and I think though Australia will stand a chance to win the game. Yeah, Australia stand a chance to win the game. Looking at their performance, even against US, you know. Although we'll lose.
But then yes, they gave the US a tough time.
Yeah. But extra performance, and I think the Australia will stand a chance to win. Yeah.
Yes, I think we'll be expecting that it's a foregone conclusion that Australia will beat Paraguay.
Yeah.
What prediction?
Yeah, that's my prediction.
Scores. As a boys, no. No go feel for the boys.
Yeah, boys, no.
Sporty for
boys, no. Trying my prediction. Australia prediction against Paraguay. I'm going for 2-1.
Australia
but
versus
Paraguay. But say Chinovers.
Hey.
Actually, like correct score no. Ayo to Mahawajan. Although the Australia boy win a match, but correct score no to Mahawajan and say 2 overs. Yeah, we to Australia win over 1.5. Australia win over 2.5.
If you know, you know. I know say Australia win over 1.5. If you know, you know. Yeah. So we would act so like ignorant and dumb because we don't know. Another game in the group is Turkey versus USA.
Turkey.
Big disappointment in the tournament.
Big disappointment.
One of the biggest disappointments.
But I think that for now they take a look of fee. Yeah. Take a look of fee.
Which I boss stamp onto one passport to do their own coffee. Over to the go home.
Take away disappointed.
South Africa for the back actually go back.
Take a disappointed and I think the 0 points in the group.
Oh wow, 0 points minus 3 goals. I think the previous game against Paraguay was disappointed. Paraguay scored an early goal, took a red card, and still won the game against Turkey. US, it's to the side of USA. I think US for no Charlie. Why as well?
Why as it?
What for heat too?
What for heat? Papa. US.
US
performance
for
very
heat.
great.
I
think the group in and called the called the Black Stars.
I got for full.
Okay, you from sample.
Ha.
Oh. Okay, from sample. The group way. I should take any performance.
Rubbish.
Oh. Okay, you from sample. But all the same. Yeah, all the same.
All the same. All the same. US having 6 out of 6, 5 goals in the group in Group D. Prediction for Turkey, US for your boys.
Oh, US win.
Straight win.
US straight win. US straight win, and US but match 3 goals, 3 or more goals.
3 or more goals.
Because Turkey performance and I think that right now on Posi when I boom a good crowd, cause they think they know they won't could be. Wow. Even we win the match now, third best in the crowd is.
Hey.
Cause 3 points and minus I think 3 goals.
Minus 3 goals, yes.
Oh. No. And right now, so I think the FIFA will use head to head.
Yes, I think FIFA wouldn't use the normal formats like before, like they used to. That is a goal difference. This time they'll be using the head to head in the competition. And I think Turkey has a rough or bad head to head against. Yes, US is already through to the round of 32.
So I think for now the Turkey, I don't think they want Simon Pode over fight for winning. They have to play. That's why.
Wow. So that is the fixtures for today. The groups and their various groups, and then how the permutations will be after today. Tomorrow we'll bring you all the results from today's games. I think in other news, I think Jeremy Doku, after all the debacle and then the speculations or all the heat that he took of going to the birth of his first child, I think came back to camp successfully after his wife giving birth to a bouncing baby boy back in camp for Belgium. And I think it's all that's also settled and everything is solved. I think he went, he came, and he's back for Belgium's next game in the competition. I think right.
Yeah. I think they do call or 10. I think they.
Waba back or he's in camp.
Yeah, no, they return the power. I think the technical team, no, and Germany, Belgium, and Cassano were friend. The Moribia or Panichawan return, because right now Belgium will 2 point pay the goal.
Yes, they need him.
They need him. One last match, and of course, what about draw last match in Mpa? Obokofi.
Wow.
What about draw or 1 point? And see the way third place teams in. Majority 2
yes,
points.
everyone is in.
In one last match.
But I think I want you to speak on the fact that someone there, why they are watching ban. What do you want?
Football, I don't know, can football criticism and be like.
I don't know. Wasanabi.
I know
Wasanaba.
That's saying there. You want Kofubu were very emotional, and you will be more a blue or no man able to me or match of a bubble.
Yeah,
you will be even ne Cramampo with fear, ne performance no.
Yeah.
So I think the honor no him at that very moment no more here. Ebiano or pitch no that very moment. Now you pull fee want to perform. So that part in the issue.
Yeah.
And with the performance no switchy. Very different.
Yeah.
But actually issue no on Chechen and 1,000 Chechen.
Yes.
But mentally,
I think Hakim is so near the same issue.
Yeah.
Ended up on your go and assist. Or game no. I think as a player, some of these things will come into your life. You just have to, block the outside noise and focus on the task at hand. Doku, welcome back to camp.
I think Doku, Bob Belgium team because of the refreshing mind and all that.
Yes, refresh mind.
Charlie. And I think they'll perform good.
Yeah.
On next match.
Who knows? Maybe our next match could also go now. He will dedicate it to his son. Yes. Doku. Yeah.
And I wish it over go.
Wow.
I wish it over.
Yes.
Sisi ayewe stories now. Yanka Black Star waka and Brian.
Oh, Kakrebi.
Yemfa update young Ghanaians now about the Black Stars. And they say second in the group, right?
Yes.
And
after all the euphoria, the excitement of the draw, I think we are back down to earth. I think we need to get time and discuss more on the Black Stars. And some without all the excitement now.
And I think the next match is Saturday. And
Croatia.
As it stands now, second in the group, and Group K, I think Portugal is second in the group. And
which are the permutations is that?
Yes, and if say
yes the second now.
If say yes the second, if say right now so group now end this year, let's say second in the group, Portugal is second in the group. Actually, we are facing Portugal.
Hey.
Yes, we are facing Portugal, and Portugal also was the second in the group. You know why? From my research, Portugal also was the second in the group now we share Black Stars, which means say even in Porsche Black Stars will share Spain.
No.
And after Spain will share France. And to Portugal also play the top group and so that over dodge this big countries.
This yes.
And I answer you so they share Portugal for now. Because Portugal also I think the one first match against the Congo, the way who blacks to also I
think this time I think people are not underestimating the African countries.
So I think the one next match against any African country, and I think they will work on them maybe. So you see you try there about dodge Portugal.
Yes, the big hitters
So all they winning against Croatia. As Magana football work cadets is here secure and see Croatia, you want to come one, and I people
then I think I heard Kwesisibo saying that it's actually Group L and like a Group K, but Group K for Portugal. Yes, so I think Kwesisibo came out and said that for the Croatia game, Ghana is going there to win.
Yeah, we have to win.
Yes, he said it explicitly. Said Ghana is going there to win.
And so Nancy say oh peak former I'll play in the same as team so team no the picker players in the one.
Wow.
Casemiro or some also 2018 by Madrid won Champions League and I think we're getting back to back.
Yes, three-peat.
Yeah. I think also the one first Champions League and we're getting why exciting and Madrid could be the peak who kid team this year. Obutuma judge your bear 3 times. I think you don't want because who the team win the peak and against England, born up players in the show bueno. Sure they will compare to Croatia when you will share Croatia. No,
I think most pundits are saying that for the Ghana-Croatia game, we should expect that Ghana would go for it. They wouldn't sit back like how they did in the previous game against England.
And
so hopefully would be expected.
Yes. I think the coach is very tactical and you only approach the ball game.
Wow. Wow. Unfortunately, the discussion has become exciting and very news that we want to talk more, but then time has gone against us. Time also. Yes, and they would give thanks to some of our sponsors or all the sponsors, National Petroleum Authority, the Taste Catering Services, Diesel Gift Shop, Nesto Ventures, Immense Hardware and Finishes, Patmo Print. Yes, this has been Coastal Football Extra. My name is Gabby. I've been here with my esteemed guest, Bright. We have Andy on the camera.